So I want to share with you something that I read on LinkedIn this week. So Ethan Mollicks shared a paper where generative AI is reducing the number of junior people hired, not impacting on senior roles in organizations. So the question must be asked is, what's the impact going to be if we don't hire junior people and replace them with generative AI? So set aside the societal piece, really what we need to start thinking about is what are the impacts this is having on industries, technical professions like engineering. So from that point then, from an AI point of view, we really need to start developing talent, especially graduates. We need to start thinking about the pipeline. And this is where maybe sometimes we have to review the ways of working, such as work from home. Now, let me introduce you to a book, right? And it's a really good book. And this is The Skill Code, all right? This is by Matt Beane. So I did a brilliant podcast with Matt Beane. And just on that then, he was making the point is that the link is broken between the novice and the expert. And how we actually learn is having that proximity to the expert to learn from other people, a bit like engineering or any technical skill, surgeons, medical professions. And really what it is then we enhance our critical thinking. We're able to coach people. What would you do in this circumstance? So this is the argument I would make, is good leadership is all about strategic mindset, good thinking. And really what I'd like you to start thinking about in your organization then is, are you developing your pipeline for the future? Are you focused on short-term profits versus long-term sustainability? So think about your organization and the choices that you make, and are you taking a different path to success?